Okay, here we have a 2023 Dodge Durango. It's the SRT Hellcat package. We just did some muffler deletes on it, front and rear, out to some nice 5-inch tips. They really fill the hole up there in the back, so it's got a real nice custom look to it, you can tell. This one's going to wake up the dead. We did put a X pipe in there, took the factory muffler out. It's all factory cats. Customer really wants to hear this, wants to wake up all the neighbors and then some. Let's see what it sounds like.